Apple's latest move has left many of us wondering if our email addresses are truly safe. The tech giant plans to change its Hide My Email feature, which could make it less effective in protecting user identities. This change comes as a shock to those who rely on this feature to keep their personal and professional lives separate online. For those who may not be familiar, Hide My Email was introduced as a way to mask your Apple ID email address when signing up for services. This was especially useful for users who didn't want to share their personal email address with various websites and apps. With a single tap, users could create a disposable email address that would forward messages to their actual email account. But what does this change mean for users? Apple plans to introduce a new system that will allow third-party developers to access user-generated email addresses, even when using Hide My Email. This means that when you create a disposable email address, it may not be as secure as you think. For instance, let's say you're trying to sign up for a new subscription service.